Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can get more followers on Coverstar fast. So if that's something you want to do without wasting any time, let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to open up Coverstar right now. And if you, like me, like on my page, you have a blank profile, an incomplete profile is one of the biggest things that stops people from actually following your account. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to put an avatar right there, and then you need to say a little bit about what your account is going to be teaching them or showing people. So if you're doing entertainment, you can put like the best dancers on Coverstar every single day, the best tutorials on Coverstar every single day, and you want to put something that's engaging, that's going to be making people want to actually follow your account. So when people come across your profile, they know exactly what you do. So social media marketing tips or dancing tutorials, the best cooking advice, how to lose weight fast. And then you can also put things in there like new posts every single day. And that's just going to tell the viewer of your profile exactly what you do. Okay, so if you go onto your profile, then you hit the settings gear cog, and then you go to edit profile. You can put that in there where it says social media tips to get more followers. That's your description. And what I don't recommend that you do is that you don't make your profile private, because if you make your profile private, that just means that's just an extra step in order to get followers. People need to follow you, you need to approve them, and that's not what you want. You want to make your profile public. So that's the first thing that you want to do when it comes to getting more followers. And then what you want to do is you want to post consistently on your profile. It's no good to have a Coverstar profile that has no posts or very few posts, because the algorithm on Coverstar rewards consistent creators. So you don't just want to post anything. What you want to do is you want to see what's working on Coverstar. So if you go to the home page, for an example, and you see, you can also go to, and you can also search for what's currently popular on Coverstar right now and recreate popular videos in your specific niche. So if it's these funny videos, you can see that this is a funny video kind of thing. You want to recreate all the funny videos that you see on Coverstar. So you're not going in blindly and just creating any old video. So things that work on Coverstar are things like funny videos, POV style videos, and emotional moments. These work really well. Pets do extremely well, and you can do all sorts of content when it comes to Coverstar. You can even get inspiration from TikTok. So go on to TikTok, see what's working on TikTok, bring it onto your Coverstar profile, and you should get a good amount of views doing that, and then the followers will start coming in from the content that you post. Another thing that you can do is you can go live on Coverstar every now and again, every other day. Also, you can go live and you can talk to your followers, gain new followers through the live, and that's just going to help build up your follower base much faster. Another thing that works extremely well when you're trying to grow followers fast on Coverstar is following trends. So if you're scrolling on the homepage, you see something like a trend dance video like this, you can recreate that dance video, and you can see this gets a lot of engagement, 1,755 likes, 109 comments. If you do a video like this, chances are it's going to get a lot more views than a regular post, because it's currently like a viral dance, and those are the types of contents that you want to be posting. Viral trend-based videos work extremely well. And you can see the overall niche on Coverstar is like dancing tutorials and stuff like that. Gaming works extremely well. So you just want to see what's working in your niche and then double down on the content that you see on your For You page. You can see another dance here, 2,000 likes, 169 comments. This is going to bring in you quality followers, and they're going to follow you fast as this video goes ahead and continues to pop off and go viral. And then what you want to do within your videos is you want to have a solid hook. Okay, give people a reason to actually watch your videos, because if you start your video, you're just talking, you're not really saying much, people are going to swipe up on the video and not really watch the video. But if you have a solid hook and you tell people exactly what's going to happen in the video, why they should watch the video, start the video with the most viral funny moment. People are going to stick on the video and they're going to watch that completely. Now, those are some tips on how you can actually get followers on Coverstar fast. Now, if you want to get even more ways on how you can grow your Coverstar profile to get more followers, you can go ahead and click the link in the description of this video. I've created a guide that goes over everything step by step on how you can gain followers fast. So if you're struggling to get followers, click the link in the description of this video and you can see that I've created a 9-page ebook that you can download to be able to get followers fast on Coverstar. If this video helped you out, drop a like on it, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.